Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. So here we have the Rite Hog Stage Strap kit. Now I've rigged this up really quickly onto an 80, so it's not fitted quite correctly, but this is basically going to show you what it's going to look like on your stage cylinder. Hog, of course, is short for Hogarthian. This is very much the DIR zone, or sort of DIR way of sort of rigging up a stage cylinder. So the kit combines a clamp band which has this sort of wrapping, coating, sort of Jubilee webbing over the top of it to sort of protect your cylinder, because these metal clamp bands, the edges get quite sharp and it's quite abrasive, so it's best to sort of keep that protected. You kind of clamp that down, and then underneath that we have the main sort of handle section, and then this comes through to a loop at the bottom which has a large-eyed bolt snap onto it that you can clip off onto a D-ring. Continue that, becomes the main section of the handle. So you've got this sort of grab handle section of sort of hose pipe over the top of that, gives you something to grab hold of. And then down towards the top of the cylinder, we get a second bolt snap, again with a decent sized eye on it, and again sort of stainless steel, so you can clip that off onto a D-ring. And then that just loops around the top of your cylinder. Obviously I don't have a valve fitted onto this, which is why I'm trying to hold it in position. But that's sort of where that would sit. Underneath that, you also get a hose sort of tidy, so rubber band that goes all the way around your cylinder. You've got a little webbing loop there, so you can sort of open it up to fit your hoses down, and that's basically it. So it's a great way of clipping a stage cylinder onto your rig, of carrying it around outside of the water. Obviously tighten it up and sort of fit it, spend a bit more time fitting it than I have. But yeah, it's basically the real basics, everything that you need. It's the DIR sort of way of doing it, sort of Hogarthian. So yeah, this is what I use basically to rig up my stage cylinders. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and of course hit on that bell icon so that you can be notified every time we upload a new video. Thanks for watching and safe diving.
We are an online dive store serving the UK and the world for all your diving equipment needs. So why not visit us at simplyscuba.com or click the box on your screen.